mar Coca-Cola bade ma Pachoka indi Orlando Limbe mar Okombe manoero mar FIFA World Cup e Pachoka indi kanyakla kod chenro mopogore opogore ma bende ichan tim ka Okombe noero obio chopo e Pachoka. Higa ni eri en higa mar 5 ma bende Okombe no luorore pinje nyaka ne twa ma kamano ero chakre higa mar 2006. Okombe ma kamano ero biro bedo e Pachoka indi kinde tarik 25 kod 26 mar dwe manyien kapok otere pino ero mar Qatar e kinde tukego eko mag World Cup.
Kenya has a huge football fan base and a passion for the game. In addition, Kenya is also a key market for Coca-Cola and has hosted the FIFA World Cup Trophy Tour in the past. Our sponsorship highlights our commitment to make a positive difference in all the communities that we serve. We are one of the world's largest global sports sponsors. We are also the longest a continuous standing partner of one of the world's largest sports platforms in the world, the Olympic Games. And we leverage our scale and use the power of our brands to inspire more people through the unifying power of sports and to make a positive, lasting difference in the communities that we serve.